Hi there, this is Milo and welcome to the 84th episode of Minilock Monday. So this week I have a lock from Picksmith. I'll put a link up here to Picksmith's channel, and of course I'll tag him down in the description. You can either click on his tag to go to his channel, or you can click on that little information icon up the top. So what have we got here? Well, it's a chrome glass door lock, so for a glass cabinet. It's a very small pin tumbler. Looks like 1, 2, 3, possibly 4 pin. So if we have a look there, it looks like there's 4 pins there, and anti-clockwise to rotate, and it just rotates that tailpiece through 90 degrees. And of course we have rubber washers there to protect the glass from direct pressure from the metal fittings. And let's pop that in the vise. I think that will hold it securely enough. So quite a small keyway there. So I'm going to use this custom shallow hook from Matt's Lock Pit, and this little tensioner I think is just a perfect fit for the keyway. Tensioning anti-clockwise. So there we go. That didn't take a lot. So yeah, whatever is in the glass cabinet, I hope it's not valuable. There we go, locked up again. And pop that back in there. So there we go. That's the glass cabinet lock. And like I say, not the highest security pin tumbler out there, but quite a simple but clever design. Just rotates through 90 degrees and comes out. So, a very novel lock for Minilock Monday. Thanks, Picksmith. Yeah, first one of these I've ever come across. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.